Welcome back to another What's for Dinner. Today is May the 15th, and this was a quick and easy kind of thrown together meal. I fixed some hot dogs, I put some cheese on mine, I have some Nathan's thick cut fries, and I made a homemade potato salad. And that is what's for dinner tonight. May the 16th, what's for dinner tonight? I made some peas, handmade, homemade mashed potatoes, and meatloaf. And basically, I had a chunk of meatloaf and I just diced my meat up and added a little bit more ketchup on top. Here's what that meatloaf looks like in the pan. So that's what's for dinner. May the 19th, what's for dinner tonight? We're having tacos. So some meat, cheese, taco sauce, some lettuce, some refried beans with some cheese and taco sauce on those, and some nachos. I have tomatoes, taco sauce, and nacho cheese in there, and that's how I like to eat those. And that is what's for dinner. May the 25th, what's for dinner? Tonight, just quick and easy, pork cutlet, a little seasoning on that. I have a roll with some butter and green beans, shelled beans, and whole potatoes. May the 27th, what's for dinner tonight? I made a homemade classic chicken salad. And this was just a quick thrown together meal, a recipe also I wanted to try. This is more of like a lunch item, but perfect for quick dinners as well. Unfortunately, we've all kind of had a stomach bug for several days in this past week, so we haven't really felt like eating much. That's why the what's for dinner has been few and far between. And so today I finally felt normal enough to fix a new recipe. And you can see the celery, there's lemon juice in it, mayo, chicken, some other stuff. So I will have that recipe video up soon, and I'm having that with some honey barbecue chips. And that is what we're having for dinner. What's for dinner, May the 28th? Tonight we're having cheeseburgers. I just have a cheeseburger with some mayo, some curly fries, and I made some bacon ranch pasta salad to go with that. And that's what's for dinner. May the 30th, what's for dinner tonight? I made a Mississippi roast. I put it in the crock pot overnight, and that's that, super tender. I made some homemade mashed potatoes and some rolls.